Good morning, children. So today we are going to revise this topic motion and types of motion, which is in your third and fourth unit test. So here motion means what is motion? We know in our day-to-day life, we see various moving object around us. Means moving object are said to be that object which is in motion, means moves object. So birds are moving here and there from one place to another place. Now we see the some migratory birds that comes that we see in our India. Okay, then aeroplanes move from one place to another place, bus moves from one place to another place, fan moves around itself, earth also moves. Okay, Earth's revolution, rotation, a potter moves the wheel and make different pots from the clay. So various objects we see moving around us, that object said to be in motion. Okay, so this is the motion we have to learn about in this lesson. So while waiting for a bus or bus stop, vehicles appear to be in a state of motion. On the other hand, when you are in a motion yourself, a still object appears to be moving. Okay, for example, trees are seen to run backward while you are traveling in a train or bus. है कि नहीं? अगर आप बस में बैठे हो तो आप एक जगह बैठे हो पर बस मूव हो रही है, इसलिए जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, पेड़ मूव होते हुए दिखते हैं आपको, जो चीजें सब मूव होती हुए दिखती है. So if an object is seen by an observer to change its place continuously, the object is said to be in motion. Okay, so change a place of an object, that is called displacement. An object in motion continuously undergoes displacement. Okay, so what is motion? A continuous displacement of an object is called motion. Once again, I am going to repeat. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. Okay, there are various types of motion. Then see types of motion. First is a linear motion. Types of motion. There are different types of motion. One is linear motion. Linear motion. And non-linear motion. Basic two type, non. Now what is meant by linear motion and what is meant by non-linear motion? So see, a train or a moving vehicle on a road may travel in a straight line. Okay, train moves in a straight line, or a moving vehicle moves in a straight line or in the same direction. This motion of an object is called linear motion. Motion in a straight line. Straight line. Okay, that is called a linear motion. So, example, if you stand on a chair and release a ball from your hand, it falls on the floor in a straight line. Okay, when you move a drawer of table, the movement of drawer in a straight line. So this means the motion is in linear motion, means the motion of an object that happens in a straight line. So that is called linear motion. See here. Another example of linear motion is the When all, then non-linear motion. Non-linear motion means the motion of an object that does not move in a straight line. Means not move in a straight line. Not move in straight line. That is non-linear motion. एक तो दो है types of motion, linear motion, non-linear motion. Linear motion means the movement of an object only in a straight line, that is linear motion. Non-linear motion means not move in a straight line. It moves in circular motion, it moves in oscillatory motion. So there are different types of non-linear motion that we see. First, see there some examples of linear motion. The motion of the soldiers in a parade. The motion of the soldiers in a parade is the same. During that period, not even a straight difference, not even a slight difference is seen. If you have seen the parade now, 26 January, the parade of soldiers. Okay. Then, however, the motion of the girl coming down from the slide does not appear to be uniform. The girl comes down faster and faster. The speed of her motion goes on increasing continuously. The motion of marching soldiers is uniform linear motion. Linear motion के two types है, uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. Uniform linear motion means when the speed remains the same, that is uniform linear motion. जैसे कि लिफ्ट है, लिफ्ट ऊपर से नीचे जाती है, उसकी स्पीड एक जैसी होती है, ना कम ना ज्यादा होती है, मींस दैट इज मूव इन अ यूनिफॉर्म लीनियर मोशन. बट व्हेन अ गर्ल स्लाइड ऑन अ स्लाइडिंग, जैसे जैसे वो आती है नीचे नीचे वैसे वैसे उसकी स्पीड ज्यादा हो जाती है, सो दैट इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म लीनियर मोशन. व्हेन अ कार इज मूविंग ऑन अ रोड इन अ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म लीनियर मोशन, हर टाइम जो कार है उसकी स्पीड सेम नहीं होती, इट मूव्स इन अ नॉन लीनियर यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. ओके, सो द मोशन ऑफ अ मार्चिंग सोल्जर्स इज यूनिफॉर्म लीनियर मोशन. जैसे कि सोल्जर्स जैसे मार्चिंग में मूव होते, उनकी स्पीड सेम होती है, एक जैसे ही वो मूवमेंट होती है उनकी, सो दे मूव इन अ यूनिफॉर्म लीनियर मोशन. In this motion, no change is seen. On the other hand, the motion of a girl coming down from a slide is non-uniform linear motion. So, in this linear motion, they are differentiated into two types: uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. Non-uniform linear motion. Okay, so these are two types of linear motion. Linear, once again repeating, linear motion means motion in a straight line. Okay, straight line में जब मूवमेंट होती है, एक तो यूनिफॉर्म लीनियर मोशन, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म लीनियर मोशन. यूनिफॉर्म लीनियर मोशन, स्पीड रिमेन्स द सेम. Motion when takes place, your speed remains the same. In non-uniform motion, the speed changes time to time. Okay, next example, marching of soldier in a uniform linear motion. Then non-uniform, a girl slides on a sliding in a non-uniform motion. Get it, children? Okay, then see here. Every time ask in exam the difference between uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. So what you have to write here? You have to write its definition. What is mean by uniform linear motion? What is mean by non-uniform linear motion? Give its example. Give here also another example in non-uniform linear motion. Okay. So see, now let's see the types of non-uniform linear motion. Okay, non-linear motion. Non-linear motion. Types of motion, non-linear motion. So non-linear motion means the motion of an object that does not move in a straight line. Okay, is called non-linear motion. Non-linear motion. So non-linear motion may be of following types, that is oscillatory motion, then periodic motion, circular motion, curvilinear rotational motion, vibratory motions, non-periodic motion. So these are all the types of non-linear motion. Okay, see one by one. One is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. So what is meant by the oscillatory motion? So let's see of oscillatory motion. Okay, oscillation means when the motion occurs to and fro, backward and forward, that is oscillatory motion. If you have seen the pendulum of a clock, so let's see, it is a clock pendulum. Pendulum clock पता है जहाँ पे ये pendulum होता है, ऐसे clock होती है pendulum that moves forward then moves backward again it's as its original position. Okay, पहले pendulum जाता है यहाँ पे, उसके बाद फिर से यहाँ पे आता है, उसके बाद फिर से यहाँ पे आता है. So it moves like forward and backward, that is oscillatory motion. Another example of oscillatory motion is a swing, झूला. जब आप झूला झूलते हो तो क्या होता है, पहले झूला फॉरवर्ड जाता है, उसके बाद बैकवर्ड आता है, फॉरवर्ड जाता है, बैकवर्ड आता है. So it moves to and fro, that is oscillatory motion. Okay, then vibrating diaphragm of tabla, drum is also a type of oscillatory motion. Means the motion of the body that is oscillating, swinging back and forth, that is called oscillatory motion. Then another is the periodic motion. So we see from these examples of oscillatory motion and circular motion also there. Circular motion means when the merry-go-round or fan, giant wheel of merry-go-round along a circular route, moves along a circular route, that is circulatory motion. Okay, the motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Second is the circular motion. सर्कुलर मोशन जैसे कि फैन है, मूव होता है, मेरी गो राउंड मूव होता है, देन चैंट विल मूव होता है, means the motion of an object moves along a circular path is called circular motion. Okay. Then third is a periodic motion. Periodic motion. Periodic motion means the motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. Means periodic motion means when the motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period, that is called periodic motion. The best example of periodic motion is movement of the earth around the sun is a periodic motion. Okay, the day and night happens due to it. So we know that earth is always takes the same time to complete one revolution, means 365 and 1/4 day. Okay, it's a fixed period due to which various seasons occurs. It exhibits the periodic motion, means motion that repeats itself after a regular interval of time. That is called periodic motion. The swinging pendulum of a wall clock also periodic motion. The needle of the sieving machine, that is periodic motion. Heartbeats of a normal person, that comes in a periodic motion. So moon revolve around the earth are example of the periodic motion. Okay, then another type of motion is random motion. The fourth type of motion is random motion. Random motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called a random motion. Random motion means the motion that changes its direction as well as its speed continuously, that is called a random motion. Okay, while chasing a butterfly, you see butterfly fly in the garden in all around. So do you run along a definite path or the same direction all the time? No, because not really. So a butterfly constantly flies from one flower to another flower. So there is no definite direction to its motion. Such a motion is called a random motion. Okay, while playing a football also, the ball moves here and there in all. Okay, so it is also in random motion. Also, the dust particles are moving in the air. That is in a random motion. So this is the example of random motion. The motion of the players in a game of football is also this type of random motion. The motion of a crawling baby or a wandering animal is also in random motion. So this is about the motion we learn in this lesson. Okay, children. Then speed. Speed means the distance traversed or traveled by an object in a unit time, that is called the speed of that object. Speed is equal to, one formula is given. Speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. So this is about the lesson. We learn here various types of motion. First is linear motion, non-linear motion, uniform linear motion, non-uniform linear motion. Okay. In non-uniform linear motion, we learn about oscillatory motion, circular motion, periodic motion, and random motion. Okay, children. So in our next video, we will discuss question answers of this topic. Okay, so bye everyone.